Hi everyone. So we will look at the next question on averages. Now this is the question in which you will learn how the second method we learned, that is average as an equal distribution, will be effective in solving the question. So let's start. So I will read the question, listen carefully. The average age of five boys is 19 years. So there are 5 boys. See, given 5 boys whose average age is 19 years. Now, a new boy joins them and their average age increases to 20 years. Now, what happens? A new boy, okay, a new boy joins and their new average age becomes 20 years. So what is the age of new boy? So what we have to find? Age of this new boy. So what is the age? So I will tell you 2 methods. So let's start with the first method. So you remember the data, there are 5 boys whose average age is 19 years. After one new boy joins them, their average age becomes 20 years. So we have to find the new age, so age of this new boy. Understood the question? So let's start. Now what is the average age? 19 years of these 5 boys. Okay, so sum of age of all the 5 boys divided by number of boys equals to average, which is 19 years. So sum of age of 5 boys equals to what? Sum of age of 5 boys equals to 19 into 5. So how much? 19 5s are 95. It is correct? Okay. Now what happened? This boy joins. Okay, this is method 1. This boy joins. So average age becomes 20 years. So sum of age equals to sum of age of these 5 boys plus this one new boy divided by 6 equals to 20. Is it correct? So what is sum of age of all 6 boys divided by 6 equals to 20. So sum of ages of all 6 boys equals to 6 into 20 equals to 120 years. Now what this include? Sum of ages of these 5 boys plus sum of age of this new boy. Okay, so sum of ages of these boys equals to 95 5. So sum of ages of these 5 boys is 95 and sum of ages of all the 6 boys is 120. Sum of ages of all the 6 boys is how much? 120. So all the 6 is 120, 5 is 95. So what will be the age of this boy? 25. 120 minus 95, so 25. This is 120. Understood? Now I will tell you the second method. Now what is the average age of these 5 boys? 19. Now if I assume the age of this boy is 19, age of these boys is 19, this is also 19, this is also 19, this is also 19. So what will happen? If you take average, so what will be the average? 19. Understood? Now new boys join. What happens after new boys join? The average age become how much? 3, 4, 5 and this new boy. Okay, after new boys joins, what happens? The average age become 20. Fine. But now we assume that the age of each boy is 19 19 19. So now this is 19, this is 19, this is 19, this is 19, this is 19. Then how it becomes 20 when we equally distributed among all 6 boys? Now plus 1, if we add 1 to this 19, it will become 20. plus 1 it will become 20, plus 1 it will become 20, similarly 20 20. So now this plus 1, this plus 1, now where this 1 1 1 1 1 will came, this will come from the age of this boy, this will come from age of this boy. So this additional 5 years will come from this boy, means if this is 1990, then what will the age of this boy? 25. When we equally distribute this 20 19 25, it will become 20 20 20 20 20 20. Understood? So this is the concept of average as a equal distribution. So I will tell you in हिंदी. देखियो, अगर ये 5 बॉयज है, उनका एवरेज एज है 19. अब जब नया बॉय ऐड हो गया तो इन सब का एवरेज एज कितना हो गया? 20. अब देखो अपने हिसाब से इनका एज कितना है? 19 19 19 19 90. ठीक है. अब मुझे इस बॉय का एज पता नहीं है, ठीक है, इस बॉय का एज फाइंड करना है, बट मुझे ये पता है कि जैसे ये बॉय ऐड हो गया तो इन सब का एवरेज कितना हो गया? 20. मतलब मैं ये एज्यूम करूंगा कि इसका भी 20, 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 बट एक्चुअल में इनका एज कितना है? 19 19 19 19 90. अब ये जो 1 1 1 1 1 रहेगा वो कहां से आया होगा? ये वाले बॉय से. मतलब अगर इसका एज 20 प्लस 5 25 रहेगा, तब अगर मैं ये 25 में से इसको एक दिया, 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 तो सबका 20 20 20 हो जाएगा और इसका भी 20 होगा. मतलब एवरेज एज ऑफ दिस 6 बॉय कितना होगा? 20. पक्का? अब देखो इनका 19 रखना है तो 20. अंडरस्टूड? आपको डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कीजिए. आई विल एक्सप्लेन, आई विल ट्राई टू सिंप्लीफाई योर डाउट्स. थैंक यू.